Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TMP group. My name is Tom and today is Monday, November 22nd, 2021. This video will be a follow-up to an ongoing series of an Amazon all-in or Amazon DCA challenge, just trying to see which one is going to work better for Amazon. Before we get into it, I do have to let you know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed broker. Members of the TMP group are private investors, private traders. This is simply our opinions. This is an insight to the moves that we're making within the group and the moves that we make personally. And we do recommend that you do your own homework, do your due diligence before making any trade or any investment. And one of the things that I always like to say is find an investment that you're convicted on, find an investment that you understand, stick with it through the good times and the bad, and when in doubt, zoom out and know that most investments that we make for the long term will pay off depending what our time horizon is. So do want to jump into it. Today is Monday. This is Thanksgiving week. The market is open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's off Thursday, and then we have abbreviated trading hours. I believe we're cut short by 1 hour on Friday. Of course, the crypto market never sleeps. It's 24/7. So those crypto positions that you're adding on to, buying or selling or trading, we can continue that over the holidays. But I sure am happy that the week is open this week with Monday and that we're ready to go. Couple announcements real quick. Looks like President Biden has elected Fed Chair Powell for another term. So that should be good for the markets. And we see a lot of good moving forward here into the end of the year with the markets at large. Looks like Apple has hit an all-time high, looking to break out of that 160 to 165 range to the upside. We know that's good for the market. Okay, Amazon. So on, let's see, November the 8th of this year, we bought one share of Amazon at $3,510.88. And then we DCA'd and made the commitment to DCA $500 a week for 7 weeks and see at the end of the 7 weeks which Amazon position had made us the most money or had lost us the most money, because stocks do go down as well as going up. But we liked Amazon at that price and look forward to seeing which one of these positions will pay off in the long run. I always recommend DCAing where you can, just because you're catching the highs and the lows, and it does help even out the position. So we bought Amazon on the 8th, $3,510.88. At the same time, we opened up a position, a fractional share position in a Robinhood account and put $510.88. On the 15th, which was the next Monday, Amazon reached a level of 35.27, so not much of a movement, and we bought 500 more, putting our total investment into Amazon DCA at $1,010.88. Today, this morning, on the 22nd of November, Amazon currently, at the time of this video, is trading at $3,686.80. That is up $175 from our initial position of $35.1088. We put another $500 into it today at the $36.8680, and the $1,510 investment is now yielding $1,538. So we're plus $27. So we're plus $27 on a $1,500 investment, and we're plus $175 on a $3,500 investment using round numbers. So that's the Amazon all-in versus DCA. It looks like the all-in is in the lead right now. However, we still have 4 more weeks before the last Monday before Christmas, and we'll see where it's at. We do still see Amazon as a strong buy at these levels, especially under $3,700, actually under $3,800. And we'll continue to average into Amazon collectively in our portfolios here at the TMP group, and then specifically on our DCA, we'll continue to add on as we said. At the end of the DCA, our total investment in Amazon should be about $7,000, and we'll see what the net profits are there moving into 2022. All right, later on today, I will most likely do another video. A couple of the stocks that I'm looking at this morning, if you follow the channel, then you know that I frequently am looking at the stock of NIO, the Chinese EV stock. It's currently trading at $40.63, so we're getting a nice bump. The last video I did, I believe we were called NIO out at 38. And then DraftKings was right around 38 as well. And today DraftKings is trading at 36.09 at time of this video. So those two stocks are probably add-ons today. I'll come back in later today and give an update on which moves the TMP group has made in building their portfolios and what I've done specifically. And then the other one personally that I'm looking at is a stock called Matterport. I do have a small position in Matterport. I'd like to get a couple of full positions. When I talk about a full position, I'm looking at 100 shares per position, and Matterport is one of those that ties in heavily to the metaverse. It is a partner with Facebook, which is now Meta, in 3D imaging and digital videos, 3D virtual tours. So we think Matterport has a strong position in the metaverse. I've had a few people ask me about the metaverse and say, Tom, how do you explain the metaverse? And if you didn't catch one of my earlier videos on the metaverse, I like stocks that I can, and positions that I can easily explain. When you think of the metaverse, I just think of an enlightened or heightened sense of the internet. If I go on the internet today and I send an email, it's very two-dimensional. You can see the email and you can read the email. In the metaverse will allow us to deliver email in person virtually with our avatars through artificial intelligence. If I go on to YouTube right now and I want to watch clips from a live sporting event or clips from a sporting event, or even want to watch a live sporting event on TV, that's two-dimensional. I can see it and I can hear it. In the metaverse, we will be able to attend sporting events, attend concerts, attend any function that you can think of virtually with our avatars. So, the metaverse is what the internet was 20 years ago. I was talking to my son. I said, when you go buy shoes, you go to footlocker.com, and you can see the shoe, you can browse their catalog. Imagine in the metaverse where you can actually take your avatar and you can go in virtually to Foot Locker and you can pull a shoe off the shelf and virtually handle that shoe and look at the other inventory that they have. So a lot of good things happen with the metaverse. I know it's very popular. Didn't want to get too deep into metaverse, but I did. Sure appreciate you guys dropping in today. If you're following along with the Amazon All-In or DCA challenge, again, the recap is right now the All-In is working. It's plus 175, and the DCA is plus 27. Off of a $1,500 investment versus $175 off of a $3,500 investment, at least using round numbers. Please, if you like the video, leave it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to the channel and you already haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button if you made it this far. I sure appreciate it. Drop a comment on which stocks that you'd like to hear about, and if you're DCAing into anything, how the dollar cost averaging is going for you. Until the next time, which hopefully will be later on today, I hope we finish up with green portfolios today. Invest in yourself, make a bet on yourself, make a bet on your future. I do have some links down below. If you are haven't already signed up with Coinbase, the Coinbase link is below. Coinbase is offering free Bitcoin with the ID and email verification. There's also a link to Robinhood, a very easy platform to trade on, especially if you're a beginner. There's also a link to Webull, both of those offering free stock. And they both offer the ability to buy fractional shares if that's something that you're interested in. Our main account is with TD Ameritrade. My personal accounts are with TD Ameritrade, but I do have Robinhood for swing trading and Webull for swing trading as well. The majority of my cryptocurrency is traded in Coinbase. However, Coinbase does not have all of the coin that I'm looking to invest in or that I invest in. So I would also recommend Gemini and also recommend crypto.com. A lot of recommendations. Biggest recommendation I have, again, is hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe. Make sure that you stay tuned for our next videos. We try to bring things just plain and simple in black and white, make it very easy to understand where we're at, what we're investing in, why we're investing in it, and where we see it going. Last but not least, it's important to make your money work for you. Okay, we all work for our money. Let's start making our money work for us. We go to bed at night, the money works. We wake up in the morning, the money's still working. We come home from work, and the money comes home with us, and it brings us friends. All right, so I hope everybody's portfolios go up and to the right today, and we'll catch you on the next one.